Hello everyone around the world. I invite you to pause, just for a moment, and feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. That steady pulsing within your chest is more than a mere biological fact. It's a reminder of the life that courses through you, binding you to every other living being on this planet. We share this single heartbeat as a global community. Each of us is a unique strand in the tapestry of human existence, yet all of us are connected by a common thread, our shared desire to experience love, hope, and a sense of meaning. Today, I call upon each and every one of you to embrace a deeper awareness of our collective reality, a call to raise our consciousness and stand together as one humanity. From the moment we take our first breath, we embark on a journey shaped by family, culture, environment, and individual choices. Often, these influences, while important, can also create invisible walls of separation between us. We may feel divided by language, race, belief systems, or social standing. But if you quiet your mind long enough, you'll sense the deeper truth. We are one. It's not just a phrase, it's a lived reality that emerges when we look into the eyes of another and see ourselves reflected back. The idea of separation, so often reinforced by society, is an illusion. The fundamental oneness of life transcends all boundaries, calling us to awaken to our deeper nature. And awaken, we must. Look around at our world today. There is conflict, suffering, and a seeming endless spiral of misunderstanding. But here's the hope. Just as darkness can be dispelled by a single candle, negativity can be overcome by the light of human goodness. If each of us strengthens our commitment to compassion, empathy, and love, we collectively shape a future bathed in possibility. When we choose kindness in a moment of tension, we're not just performing a single act. We're igniting a spark that lights up our global family. Small acts of grace ripple across continents, changing lives in ways we can't even begin to imagine. Raising our collective consciousness calls for courage. It requires us to look at our fears, our biases, and our limitations straight in the eye, to own them, and then to release them. This can be uncomfortable, but every moment of discomfort is a stepping stone toward deeper self-awareness. Imagine humanity standing at the threshold of a vast doorway. On the other side lies greater unity, compassion, and peace than we have ever known. The handle is in our hands. The key is our willingness to evolve. When we refuse to stay locked in the familiar patterns of judgment and division, we open the door to immeasurable growth. Not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us. We must remember the power of forgiveness. Harboring anger or resentment is like carrying a burden that weighs not only on our spirit, but also on the collective energy of the planet. By forgiving ourselves for our shortcomings and forgiving others for their mistakes, we create the space for healing. Forgiveness does not mean we ignore injustice or condone wrongdoing. Rather, it means we stop allowing the past to poison our present. In that choice lies immense freedom. It frees up our emotional energy so we can use it for uplifting endeavors, helping those in need, sharing our talents for the common good, or simply extending a listening ear to someone in pain. Another key to expanding our awareness is gratitude. A simple thank you to life, to the universe, or to whichever higher power you acknowledge, sets a transformative vibration in motion. When we align with gratitude, when we train our eyes to see blessings in the midst of chaos, our entire mindset shifts. Problems become stepping stones, challenges turn into lessons, and obstacles reveal hidden opportunities. This perspective, radiating from within each individual, accumulates until it becomes a powerful current, of hope and resilience for our whole human family. In this great cosmic dance, each of us has a role. Your actions, thoughts, and words matter. The compassion in your heart, the ideas in your mind, and the love you extend can tip the balance of the world toward unity and harmony. Envision children growing up in a society where they are nurtured in understanding and empathy from the start, where collaboration supersedes competition, and where respect for our shared earth is a collective priority. That society is possible, not just as a dream, but as a destination we build day by day, choice by choice, heart to heart. You might wonder, what can one person really do? The answer is more than you can imagine. You can be the light in your neighborhood, the source of calm in a heated debate, and the voice of reason when others succumb to fear. Each of us is a teacher and a student in this vast, interconnected web of life. We become examples of what it means to live with integrity, honesty, and love. When we do so, we inspire others to do the same. And so the wave of elevated consciousness grows, radiating outward in all directions. Before our time together draws to a close, I ask you to consider this. Take a moment each day, even if it's just a few breaths, to be still, to be present. In that stillness, let gratitude rise, let compassion deepen, and let love expand. These intangibles, while unseen, have the power to reshape destinies. When done by enough people, they can help reshape humanity's destiny. Know that you are never alone. Across the globe, millions are awakening to the truth that we are indeed interconnected, and that through our shared consciousness, we can cultivate a more peaceful, vibrant, and enlightened world. Let this monologue be your invitation. Let these words serve as a clarion call to the highest parts of you, a reminder of your infinite capacity to care, to give, and to uplift. We have a great responsibility and an even greater destiny. Together, we hold the key to unlocking a collective awakening that spans continents, bridges cultures, and heals old wounds. Each breath you take can fuel the momentum for this global transformation. Stand in your power, stand in your truth, and remember that as you shine, you illuminate the path for all who walk alongside you. Go forth with courage, my friends, and never forget that the light of your spirit is more powerful than any darkness. The door to a higher consciousness is already open. Step through, stand tall, and allow the brilliance of your humanity to guide us all into a new era of unity and love. Please leave a like if it resonates with you, and share it with people you think need to hear this message. Love you, bless you, and have a great journey ahead.